Welcome back to Random Crockery. Today we're doing the sandwich part 2, spicy red chili slaw. Here we go. This is a regular green cabbage and we're just slicing half of it. Slice it again. Do any kind of shape you want. Next up, red bell pepper. You probably even do like roasted red bell pepper. We use this for a variety of reasons. It has a nice sweetness to it, and it adds a bit of color to that beautiful sandwich. You just make small little slices like this. I'm even going to cut out the stem and use the head. Don't cut yourself. And this is a red jalapeno. You can use any red chili you want, Thai chili, any kind of chilies. Spice it up. And cilantro, of course this is optional, but I really recommend it. I know if you're one of those people that hate cilantro, go ahead and admit it. I totally understand, but if you're a cilantro lover, then please put it in here. Alright, we're just going to toss everything together, set it aside, and mix your wet ingredients. We've got olive oil, lime juice, and cumin. That's it. Just stir it up. And all we're going to do is add this to our veggies and toss. Next step's the easiest one. Just going to put some salt and pepper in there, toss again, and save it for the sandwich. Now you can go full sandwich on this if you want, or you can omit the bread. I tried it with just the pulled pork and the salad, and it worked out great. Once again, we appreciate you visiting Random Crockery. Please see the link below and come visit us again. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.